Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the one and only strategy to make assured profits through stock market trading. The name of this strategy is Easy Profits. What is special in our strategy? Dow Jones or NSE, stock market or commodity market. We can apply our strategy anywhere. We can follow anything like fundamental or technical analysis. This will work. Do you know how our strategy works? It will convert all your losses into profits. Isn't that good to hear? It's a very simple strategy. Watch the video fully for complete understanding. We are professional trader duo, Suresh and Dilip. From WOW Stock Market, we trade for institutions and high net worth clients. Through this channel, we will reveal all the secret behind the stock market trading. Stock market trading is a zero sum game. If we understand the concept of zero sum game and probability, then only we will know how the market works. A buyer and a seller exchange a particular stock at a same set price. Assume there is the amount of rupees 1 lakh in both their account. Totally, there is rupees 2 lakhs. Both the buyer and seller trade with a stop loss of rupees 1000 and target of rupees 1000. If the stock price goes up, then the buyer will achieve the target and make a profit of rupees 1000. Thereby, including the profit rupees 1000, the balance in buyer's account will be rupees 1 lakh 1000. Vice versa, in seller's account, including the loss of rupees 1000, the balance will be 99,000. So if you add this 1 lakh 1000 plus 99,000, even now the total balance in both their account will be the same rupees 2 lakhs. This is known as zero sum game. What probability means? When we execute n number of trades in a series, we will have more chances to end up making equal number of profit trades and losing trades. For example, if you make 10 trades, there is a high chance of 5 winning trades and 5 losing trades. This is mean probability. Let's see what it is. Here we have shown a good trading plan. If you execute 100 trades of rupees 1000 stop loss and rupees 1000 target, chances are that out of 100 trades, 50 trades will win and we will lose 50 trades. Here you would have made a profit of 50,000 and would have lost rupees 50,000. The net result is 0. This is probability. Hope you have understand what is probability. The big concept. Now we know that if we execute 10 trades with 1:1 risk reward ratio, 5 win and 5 fail is the probability. Sometimes you might win 6 and lose 4, or you might win 4 and lose 6. This small difference occurs, but by doing series of trades, our net result will be only 0. This is probability. No one can change this. But by using our easy profit strategy, even in this net result 0 technique, you will make profits, and that too consistently. Consistency is the key. How easy profit strategy works? When a trade wins, this strategy keeps the profit as such without disturbing. But when your trade goes wrong, easy profit strategy converts the losses into 0. So obviously no loss, resulting in net profit. Easy profit strategy can be applied with any technique or strategy we use. It works excellent with any techniques. For clear understanding, we are taking an example of simple trading strategy called classic grid strategy. What is classic grid strategy? Let me explain in detail. Choose any script. Here I am taking MCX crude oil. Draw a grid of equal spacing. In this case, I am drawing 50 point spacing grid. You can take any space, say for example, 15 points, 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, 100 points, etc. After drawing the grids, entry will be taken when the price moves one level up or down. If the price moves one level up, we will take a buy entry. And if the price moves one level down, we will take a sell entry. What will be the stop loss and target for the entry? One level will be the target and the same one level will be the stop loss. So the risk reward ratio will be 1:1. In this scenario, the target is 50 points and 50 points will be the stop loss. This is crude chart in which we have drawn grid lines of 50 point spacing. The lines will be placed at round numbers at 4950, 4900, 4850, 4800, 4750 and 4700. Entry condition is to buy if the price moves one level up and take a sell if the price moves one level down. Very simple. Since the price has moved from 4800 to 4750, it has moved down by one level. So we will be taking a sell entry at 4750. For better understanding and to avoid confusion, let's mark this point as point A. For this sell entry at point A, target will be 50 points. So it is at 4700 and stop loss will be at 4800. This entry has achieved a target at 4700. So entry at point A has given a profit of 50 points. So plus 50 points. Since the price has moved from point A to point B, which is one level down. So again we are taking a sell entry at point B at 4700. But this entry ended in loss. So minus 50 points. From point B to point C, it is one level up. So we are taking a buy entry at point C at 4750 and it has achieved the target at 4800. So plus 50 points at point C. If we take the entries at all the levels, the result will be like plus 50 minus 50 plus 50, plus 50 plus 50 minus 50, plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. The net result will be plus 250 points without easy profit strategy. Let's see what happens when we apply easy profit strategy with this result. Classic grid strategy result has been entered in result column, which is 250 points net profit. Usually we trade by one lot in normal strategy, but in easy profit strategy, we adjust these lots to neutralize the losses and increase the net profit. In futures market, we adjust number of lots, and in equity market, we adjust number of shares. Since we are looking into the crude oil results, we will be adjusting the lots. Easy profit's simple rule is to increase one lot or one share if the previous entry ended in loss, and to decrease one lot or one share if the previous entry ended in profit. Point to be noted is that we should not trade below one lot. We start with one lot at point A, the result is plus 50 at point A. Since it's a profit, we should be decreasing one lot in the next entry. But we can't trade below one lot. So again we are trading with one lot at point B. Since the result at point B is minus 50, we are increasing one lot for the next entry at point C. So it will be two lots to be traded at point C. As we got profit at point C, we are decreasing the lot 1 by next entry at point B. We adjust the lots like this for all other entries. You can see the profit loss column which yields a net profit of 350 points, which means out of our 9 trades, 2 loss making entries has been neutralized to 0, and from the remaining 7 profit making entries, profit has been preserved as such, which is 7 times 50 points, which is 350 points. For better understanding of our easy profit strategy, we have given a worst case scenario result. A total of 14 trades result has been recorded in this result column, in which 7 trades are loss making entries and 7 trades have fetched profits. And the net result of this is 0. But if we have applied easy profit strategy here, if we have adjusted the lots, we would have made a total profit of 350 points. It has neutralized the loss of 7 losing trades and given 350 points profit from 7 profit making entries. So traders, you have learned the easy way to make profits from easy profit strategy, and you might have doubts regarding this strategy. You can chat anytime with us through WhatsApp at 9791851051051. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe our channel Wow Stock Market for further video to learn and earn in stock market.